Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Now all we have to do is to tap on this button, on this toggle, and basically I do not have the internet connection, I forgot about it. So let me quickly connect myself with the internet. Alright, right now I'm connected, so as I said, simply tap on this toggle. And as you can see, your device will check for the updates, and whenever you will have any updates available to be downloaded, then your device will of course notify you about that. You can tap on About this version, so you can check the information about what is new in this update, and simply tap on Download if you want to download it, and I highly recommend to do that. It is really important to have the newest versions of the system, of the software. Of course, if your device is up to date, you will also receive proper information that everything looks good and you do not have anything to download. And remember, of course, about the internet connection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.